An urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Ashtabula County, Crawford County, Pennsylvania, Erie County, Pennsylvania, until 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:17 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from Albion to Orwell and moving east at 55 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Erie, Meadville, Andover, Girard, Vineville, Edinburgh, Cambridge Springs, Waterford. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Ashtabula, Ohio, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Crawford and Erie.
This is NOAA Weather Radio KHB 59.